Introducing 2 lines that decide the whole scene, and here's how that helps you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Unscripted Improv Workshop stage. Today, we're going to show you how a single line can start a conversation and end up somewhere you never expected.
This game is called First Line, Last Line. And it's sneaky because it helps you start conversations and stretch your creative thinking at the same time. Every time a line comes back, it has to live in a completely different situation. A breakup becomes a job interview. A movie quote turns into a family dinner. A casual phrase becomes a high-stakes moment. So you're not just remembering words, you're learning how to reframe meaning. And now, to help us get started, and possibly confuse us in the best way possible, please welcome our favorite wild card, A-I-OW.
Hello, everyone. Thank you. All right, let's use that energy. First thing I need from you is a suggestion. Before we start, shout out a line you've heard before, a movie quote, a phrase everyone knows, something like 2 birds, 1 stone.
I can top that.
Perfect. That's our first line. And now, improv magic.
Let's hear it for the cast.
I can top that. Great. Then this is officially a bottoms-up competition.
Great. Then this is officially a bottoms-up competition.
So, hydration rules apply.
So, hydration rules apply?
Wait. We didn't discuss rules?
And scene! That was first line, last line.
An improv game where you repeat the words, but every time the scene changes.
This game trains you to listen, commit, and make bold choices, because when the frame is clear, creativity gets easier. On stage and in life. If this helped you think differently, hit like, subscribe, and keep playing along with us here at Unscripted Genius Improv.